Makale, how are you? Are you fine? Okay, very good. Makale, the last class what we learned? Do you remember? Yes, we started our chapter 14, water, isn't it? What are the things we learned last class about water? Yes, first we learned the uses of water. You know that water is an important thing for all the living organisms, isn't it? Yes. In the chapter 2nd, we learned the importance of water for human body, isn't it? What is it? Yes, water helps to throw out the liquid waste from our body as urine and sweat. Water also helps to absorb the nutrients from blood, isn't it? Then we learned that the uses of water. We use water for drinking, bathing, cleaning, cleaning the floor, washing clothes, cleaning the utensils, and mopping floor in factories. Everywhere we use water. Then we learned there is 2/3 of earth is covered with water, but there is only 1% of water is fresh water. 99% of water is saline water, that is sea water. Okay. Okay. The last class we started to learn about water cycle, isn't it? Yes. We learned 2 processes through which water vapor enters the air. What are these 2 processes? Yes, of course. Evaporation and transpiration. Okay. What is evaporation? Water changes into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. Because of the heat of the sun, the water from river, lake, sea, etc. evaporates and form water vapor and enters the air. Okay. Then another one process also involved in evaporation. No? What is that process? Transpiration. Then what is transpiration? In the plants, the excess water changes into water vapor and give out through leaves. This process is called transpiration. Through these 2 processes, water vapor enters the air. Okay. Makale, now we are going to learn the next stages of water cycle. The cloud formation and rain formation. In the cloud formation, there is one process also involved. That process also you learned in your lower classes. That is condensation. Do you remember that process? Yes, then tell what is condensation. Water vapor changes into water on cooling is called condensation. Very good. Now we can see one simple experiment which shows condensation. Okay, listen. Take a glass. Then take some cool water. Put some ice cubes on it. Then keep in a table. Then after some times we can see that there is a pool of water we can see in the table near the glass. Pool of water. Then also we can see droplets of water in the sides of the glasses. Clear? How is it happened? Yes, you know that the air contains water vapor. Okay, this water vapor here, water vapor is there. In the air there is water vapor. When the water vapor touches the cool surface of the glass, this water vapor changes into water. This water we can see around the glass. Clear? The water vapor in the air, when it touches the cool surface of the glass, the water vapor changes into water. Clear? This process is called condensation. This process also involved in water cycle. Now we can see how is it helps in the formation of clouds. Children, first the seawater. This is seawater. Okay. Seawater. Then this land. This land. Okay. Because of the heat of the sun. Because of the heat of the sun, the seawater evaporates and goes upwards, moves upwards. Okay. Then when this water vapor reaches at sufficient height, this water vapor starts to cool. Okay, water vapor then this water vapor forms tiny droplets of water. വളരെ ചെറിയ 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 കണങ്ങളായി മാറുന്നു. വാട്ടറിന്റെ കണങ്ങളായിട്ട് മാറുന്നു. These tiny droplets of water moving in the air. Then when it cooler again, these tiny droplets of water join together and forms clouds. Clear, children? How does the cloud form? First, seawater evaporates and from water vapor enters the air. Then this water vapor moves upwards, then starts to cool. Then the water vapor changes to tiny droplets of water. Then these tiny droplets of water together forms clouds. Okay, children? This way clouds are formed. These clouds are moving in the air. Okay. Then this is the formation. In this way the clouds formed. Then next is the formation of rain. How does the rain form? These tiny droplets of water again cools and join together. Okay, these tiny droplets of water in the clouds again cool and join together to form drops of water. വെള്ളത്തുള്ളികളായി മാറുന്നു. Drops of water. Then the drops of water again joins and become heavier. വെള്ളത്തുള്ളികൾക്ക് ഭാരം വർദ്ധിക്കുമ്പോൾ it cannot stand upwards. അല്ലേ, ഭാരം വർദ്ധിക്കുമ്പോൾ വസ്തുക്കൾക്ക് അവിടെ നിൽക്കാൻ സാധിക്കില്ലല്ലോ. എന്ത് സംഭവിക്കും? It falls down. Isn't it? It's like that. This water drops comes down as എങ്ങനെ ഏത് ഫോമിലാ വരുന്നത്? Yes, comes down as rain. Precipitates as rain. Clear? In this way the rain is formed. Clear? Then the rainwater enters the sea again, land, river, etc. Okay? Water in the form of vapor goes into air by evaporation and transpiration, then forms clouds, and then comes back to the ground as rain, hail or snow. മഴയായിട്ടും ഹെയിലായിട്ടും ആലിപ്പഴമായിട്ടും സ്നോ മഞ്ഞുതുള്ളികളായിട്ടും ഒക്കെ ക്ലൗഡ്സിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ഉണ്ടാകുന്ന വാട്ടർ താഴോട്ട് വരുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി ഈ വാട്ടറിന് എന്ത് സംഭവിക്കുന്നു? താഴോട്ട് വരുന്ന വാട്ടറിന് യെസ്, ലിസൺ. When the water enters the land, this water seep into the ground. താഴോട്ട് ഗ്രൗണ്ടിലേക്ക് പതുക്കെ 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 അരിച്ചിറങ്ങുന്നു. സീപ്സ് ഇൻടു ദി ഗ്രൗണ്ട്. Okay. Then this water seep into the ground and form underground water. താഴോട്ട് അരിച്ചിറങ്ങുന്ന വാട്ടറിന് എന്ത് സംഭവിക്കുന്നു? കുറേ താഴെ അരിച്ചിറങ്ങി എല്ലാ വാട്ടറും കൂടി ഒരുമിച്ച് ചേർന്ന് ഗ്രൗണ്ട് വാട്ടറായി മാറുന്നു. അണ്ടർഗ്രൗണ്ട് വാട്ടർ. ക്ലിയർ? ദിസ് അണ്ടർഗ്രൗണ്ട് വാട്ടർ വി ഗെറ്റ് ഫ്രം ഹാൻഡ് പമ്പ്സ്, വെൽ എക്സെട്ര. അല്ലേ, നമ്മൾ കിണറൊക്കെ കുടിക്കുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന വാട്ടർ ഏതാണ്? അണ്ടർഗ്രൗണ്ട് വാട്ടർ. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ some of the water reaches the river. This river flows and enters the sea. Then the underground water also enters the sea. In this way, the water moves back to the ocean, sea, etc. Okay, children? Then again this water from the sea evaporates and moves up as water vapor and forms clouds, then comes down as rain, hail or snow. So this process is called what? Yes, water cycle. This process is called water cycle. What is water cycle? Water from the ocean and surface of the earth goes into air as vapor, return as rain, hail or snow, and finally goes back to the oceans. The circulation of water in this manner is known as water cycle. This circulation of water between ocean and land is a continuous process. This maintains the supply of water on land. So water cycle is a continuous process between land and ocean. Clear? So this process is called water cycle. Hope you understood the process called water cycle. Children, read the lesson thoroughly, page number 140 to 142. These pages, there is the explanation of water cycle. What are the new terms we learned this class? Evaporation, condensation, transpiration, water cycle, hail, clouds, groundwater. The rest of the lesson we can see on next class. Thank you, children.